have I got a treat for you guys. Absolutely fantastic. Wait till you see. I have 2 new devices that I want to try out. And I got them both here for you guys. We're going to go through them. One's from Amazon, one I got from eBay. Unfortunately, not the smartest choice, but whatever. So we're going to find out. We're going to go with what's inside the eBay one first. This one, you've probably seen both of these, and that's fine. I just wanted to kind of give a little bit of a thorough review on them, actually. Alright, you guys, here we go. Let's get into this first one here. And here it is. The Soyuz. Ooh. So I thought that this looked really cool. It's basically like a tiny little iPhone 8. This is actually the iPhone. Sorry, it's even getting me off. This is actually the Soyuz 7S. So, let's see here. Well, you know what? Let's just open this up. Let's see if I can finally take a look at it. There we go. All right. Here we got some accessories. We'll get those first here. Got the USB-B. Always handy. Never have enough of those. Screen protector. Can't go wrong with one of those, you know. Especially in your pocket. Little button next to your jean pocket always seems to scratch up your screen real good. So, and what else we got here? More manuals. Yeah, I'm gonna have to translate most of this. Isn't that what Google Translate's for? I'm pretty sure the Google Translate app actually has a feature too where you can scan the text with your camera and take a picture of it, and it'll translate it for you. So we'll go through that eventually. Let's put all that over here. And let's open up this little guy right here. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, what? That is so cool. It's so tiny. Even has the iPhone kind of style to the case here. It's oh, that's just a cover. Okay, it's a protective layer there. I was like, oh my gosh, my screen's already scratched up. But I got the USB port there, and I don't think this is where your SD card goes. This is more like your power button, volume buttons. This is most likely speakers. This I don't know. Might be a reset button. So you know what? Let's just power it on. Oh no! It's a total video flop. I think it's dead. I'll have to charge it for you guys first, and then we'll power it on. But you know what? We'll come back to this. Let me charge it first, and then I'll power it on for you guys. All right. All right, you guys. I think we were charged enough. Let's see here. We're sitting at 59%. I will take that. All right, let's go ahead and power her on. And there we go. We get the welcome screen. This is super cool. Such a tiny little phone. I don't know, I never had a tiny little phone like this before. I mean, I had a small phone back in the day, back when like Singular was around, and the very first phone they gave me was about like this big. So it's just a little bit bigger than this. But this little guy right here is super, oh my gosh, it's from the dimensions it said on the site, it was 46 wide, 93 or 96 long, and only 9.9 millimeters thick. 9.9 millimeters, that is really thin. As you can see, it's running Android 6.0. It has everything that you would normally expect from a mobile device. I mean, it has, the MP3 Bluetooth, GPS. The cameras are, the back one is a 5.0 megapixel, not that great. I mean, what do you expect for a small device, right? And the front camera is 0.3 megapixel. It's not going to have the greatest quality, but we'll definitely test that out, and I'll get a video of it and add it to here as well. It actually has a 2 to 3 day standby on this battery. Now, what I really want to do is I really want to make it look like an actual iPhone. Alright, you guys, and here we have it. I finally got the iPhone theme installed on there. And it looks just like it. We even have the toggles, and they all work, so that's fun. I found this on the Google Play Store, and it actually it's working pretty good, so we'll see how it is. Anyways, I'm going to test the camera now, and I'll let you guys know how that works. We'll test the front camera and the back camera, both video quality. This is a recording test with the mini iPhone that I got online. Told you guys I was going to test it out, and I just wanted to see how clean it was. Again, this is only a 5 megapixel camera, so it's pretty crisp. It actually looks really nice for a tiny little iPhone. And I'm going to switch around here, or I'm going to try to. Let me get some footing out of the way. And here we are testing the front camera, because it said it was 0.3 megapixel. And actually, it's actually a pretty crisp photo. So that about does it, you guys, for the Soyuz 7S, the iPhone lookalike. This one I had a lot more fun with, and a lot of the features are more up to date. The one I didn't go with showing you guys was actually this one right here, which is the Soyuz 6S. If you like this video and want to keep up to date on my future videos, go ahead and smack that like button and hit the subscribe, and we'll see you then.